Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a video I have gathered. I am ironing the 8 pieces and I am starting to lay it down. First I had to wash the floor, scrub it with Murphy oil. I washed it and it's nice and clean. I had to be sure before I laid these delicate handmade crocheted cotton curtains that I have crocheted. I think it's been 2 months. I have to go back to check, but I think I did a good job. I think it's less than 2 months, yeah. So here they are, and I am packing them, and I put them in a nice beautiful Christmas bag, which I bought last year. So that's what I usually do. I pack my handmade items in bags, Canadian bags that I buy, and here is my my rooster display, where I put it so the door won't close. And here it is. It's not easy to take these videos, time consuming and a lot of back pain. Here we are. I am laying them nicely and neatly, nice and clean, and putting it in the bag. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.